What's the meaning of crepuscular? Crepuscular. Crepuscular.
Crepuscular. Crepuscular. The word crepuscular refers to animals that are primarily active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. These animals have adapted their behavior to take advantage of the unique opportunities that exist during this time, such as hunting or finding mates. Crepuscular animals include many of the world's most iconic species, such as deer, rabbits, and foxes. By being active during these low-light periods, these animals have evolved unique physiological and behavioral traits that allow them to survive and thrive in their environments. Overall, being crepuscular is a successful adaptation strategy for many different species.